Hi, today I would like to introduce you a CE-certified high-temperature chamber muffle furnace. This chamber muffle furnace is specially customized for ceramic sintering, and the furnace structure mainly consists of 4 parts: the carbon steel air cooling shell, ceramic chamber, exhaust piping system, and the temperature control system. The furnace door opens on the side, which can keep the heat away when operating people taking samples at high temperature. The chamber capacity is 216 liters, and heating elements are arranged on both sides of the furnace. The temperature field is uniform, and the maximum temperature could reach to 1,750 degrees. It is an ideal furnace for high-temperature sintering, material annealing, and quality inspection in colleges and universities, research institutes, industrial and mining enterprises.
The furnace shell is pickled and phosphated, sprayed with environment powder coating, high temperature and corrosion resistance. The furnace door opens on the side with a hot side facing outward, which can prevent the operator from scalding when taking samples out at high temperature. The chamber capacity is 216 liters. The building structure and installation materials are specially customized based on the properties of the sintered materials. Chamber installation material adopts composite ceramic spaced structure. Wall thickness 240 mm. Arched roof design, sturdy and durable. Bottom floor adopts alumina bubble brick. Good insulation performance and high cleanliness. The heating elements adopts new type U-shape MoSi2 rods, evenly arranged in the left and right sides of the chamber. Stable resistance, uniform temperature field. Automatic chimney device is installed on the top of the furnace, which opens automatically when the furnace temperature falls below 206 degrees. Designed with independent control cabinet, voltmeter, ammeters, temperature controller, and electric buttons are integrated on the control panel.
Program.The provides 18 months warranty for our products, free parts supplied, 7/24 hours online support. Customized services could be accepted. Welcome to contact. Thank you.